everyone, Anjan's Tech here. Today we're checking out the iQOO Z9 Lite 5G, a phone that promises smooth performance and next-gen connectivity at a budget-friendly price of only Rs 11,499. Let's see if it delivers. Under the hood, the Z9 Lite packs a MediaTek Dimensity 6300 5G processor, clocking in at 2.4 GHz with an Antutu score of over 414,000. This translates to effortless multitasking, meaning you can juggle between apps and games without a hitch. But the real star here is the 5G connectivity. Experience blazing fast download speeds, lag-free video calls, and superior connection with features like dual SIM 5G and WANA support. Now let's talk cameras. The Z9 Lite boasts a 50MP Sony AI camera, perfect for capturing those special moments in crisp detail and vibrant colors. AI Photo Enhancer ensures your photos always look their best, while Night Mode lets you take stunning pictures even in low light conditions. Plus, have fun with unmatched portrait filters and express yourself creatively. Durability is another strong point. The Z9 Lite is IP64 rated for dust and water resistance. Whether you're caught in a light drizzle or encounter dust storms, this phone can handle it, keeping you worry-free during your adventures. And to keep you powered through the day, the Z9 Lite comes equipped with a massive 5000 mAh battery and even includes a charger in the box. So is the iQOO Z9 Lite 5G the perfect budget phone? Stay tuned for the rest of the video where we'll put it to the test and see how it performs in real world scenarios. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Stay till the end of the video to see some time-lapse motion videos of iQOO Z9 Lite 5G.